The RSA was born in the radical atmosphere of an Enlightenment coffeehouse some 260 years ago. From the very beginning, the RSA was the natural home for those who wanted to build a better society. Our past fellows are a roll call of great thinkers, innovators, and social reformers. Behind our doors today, you'll still find a hotbed of new ideas and forward thinkers who share a common purpose: to enrich society through powerful thinking and practical action. Over the centuries, we've helped lead innovation in everything from education for girls to the invention of the lifeboat. The 21st century offers us new tools for change and more power to use them, and millions of people around the world are in a better position to turn their ideas and aspirations into reality. We call this the power to create. And we want to harness this capacity to tackle some of our biggest collective challenges. The RSA's work on these challenges focuses on three main themes. We're bringing about a shift to give more power to people and communities so that they can better meet their needs and ambitions. We're pioneering new models of learning to ensure that everyone in society, regardless of background, can generate original, valuable ideas and make them happen. And we're looking at new ways of building a flourishing, fair, and sustainable economy that recognizes the potential in every individual. Our 27,000-strong fellowship makes all of our work possible, acting as a global community of advocates for our vision and values. Ideas born at the RSA are quickly disseminated around the world, with millions viewing our talks and debates online. Our fellows can connect to a network of tens of thousands of people who share their desire to find practical solutions to social problems. With access to the brightest new thinking from the RSA and around the world, they can tap into resources to help make their ideas a reality. Fellows can meet and collaborate at RSA House or find and connect with each other through our website. So whether you are a pioneer of ideas or simply want to support creative thinking and be a part of one of the world's great ideas factories, join the 21st Century Enlightenment at the RSA.